Alright, so welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is where we give you amazing content and ideas about various innovations on cybersecurity, digital marketing. But this time around, we are focusing more on the trending artificial intelligence called the Chat GPT. It has been an amazing platform, I guess, currently going through the test stage, and over time it has been adopted by varieties of businesses. All right, so and we've checked from my previous videos. We've talked about what we've had a lot of examples of what can be done with this chat um, GPT. So we talked about how we can make it talk like an expert, think like an expert, see how we can extract values, content from books, and of course, how we can search for any location. So today we want to see how we can any idea for our business, brainstorm any idea for our business, how we can make the chat GPT generate list of new ideas for our next project. This thing is very fast. Within 5 seconds, we are done. And do not forget, again, I always love to mention this, is that the input must be specific for you to have the best um, result. So it is very, very, very important for us to understand this. And do not forget, it is just to help you. It is, of course, just like we have, it has also limitations. It says may occasionally generate incorrect information. So I need to state this very well so that you will not rely too much on the result, but at least it always give you an insight. It said may occasionally produce harmful instruction. Of course, there was a time I needed to write an exam, and I, unfortunately I got um, a wrong option, right? So it sometimes it might happen. So, but then you must have always an idea of what you want to do. You can't just copy and paste the result. You must be able to check very well. So just to give you an idea of what you must do. All right. So having said that, so let's see how we can brainstorm idea, a business idea with this thing. All right. So what are the input we are going to be making use for this particular one? So what specific thing, how many new ideas we want, then what is the goal, and what you want to do, what exactly we want it to do. All right, so let's go. All right, so let's um, brainstorm business ideas together on uh, food delivery. A food delivery service. So you will ask yourself 1,000 questions. So let's get 1,000 question that should generate more ideas, and you will answer to this questions. All right, so don't forget five things they mentioned. What business idea, right? The specific thing you want it to do is on what the specific thing actually you want to do rather is the food delivery service, and of course we have how many do you want? Then we have the goal, generate more ideas. Then your order is to deliver is for the AI to answer the questions. All right, so let's see what we get first. Then I will explain more to us. Genius. See this. This is great. So, of course, so we can see how far it's it. So, like, what kind of question now should you think we should ask? All right. So, let's brainstorm together. So, we're trying to brainstorm together. All right. So, all right. So, let's ask what type of food could we deliver? Okay, fast food, burgers. Okay. hmm Because you can also specify location. Actually, this is amazing. Okay, all right. So we are still brainstorming. Not forget. So let's ask more questions. Like we how we source our ingredients. Mhm, mhm. So of course, so I want to believe you have a lot of questions so coming through your head. So you can try it on your own and just have fun with it. Just ask relevant questions you want to ask of you. Don't forget we are in the brainstorming section. So what we told him is that we want to brainstorm together. So he tried to understand the question you are asking. So I think this is beautiful, and we are actually enjoying a lot of from this thing. So this thing is genius. It's just really amazing. Just really amazing. So let us do well to enjoy this on our own, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.